Hey, good morning. My name is Jared Settergren, and I'm very excited that I get to be a part of your journey here. This is a picture of Westminster, Colorado at the skate park where I grew up, and yeah, I did some tricks there. So I am getting prerequisites done here at NJC. Then I'll be transferring 2 more years at a university for my bachelor's degree in environmental, and then a judicial law degree in environmental and natural resources law and policy. So I am a pianist. I self-taught. I don't know how to read music. I did music classes as a kid. I think a lot of us can relate to if we are told to do something instead of given a choice. So often we don't want to. And later on, I discovered that I enjoy doing it because I wanted to do it, not because I should do it. I'm a martial arts teacher at MJC. So I work with like 4 to 11-year-olds, and then there'll be a board breaking, brick breaking seminar sometime in February. So it's $15, February 14th, if you want to do that. I will talk to you and teach you karate. So, a hobby of mine is Kempo karate. I've studied it and I'm actually a teacher, certified instructor at American Kempo Karate. This is how we do the greeting, and I'm a first degree black belt. So if I mess up, I'll say ta-da.
Whilst the world is full of wonders, it belongs to humans now.
Thank you, judges.
We creatures have all disappeared.
I do Tai Chi, and then I've also studied under Jeet Kune Do.
Alright guys, lock it up, say lock it up.
Lock it up.
When we lock it up, we got our legs. Oh, I only heard one person. We got our legs. Hands on our
Knees.
chin is. Eyes on your teachers.
Eyes.
What about my hair? What about my hair? What? Yeah. So guys, we learned about teamwork. Everyone say teamwork.
My goal is to illustrate through inspiration and that experience through teaching to bring awareness in a sense that we are better by not being distracted while driving. So, how do we lock it up? We got our legs crossed, hands on our knees, chin is up, and eyes on your teacher's eyes. Now, mom and dad, if they're driving, right, they have their hands on their wheels, they're looking up, they're looking around, they're paying attention on the road. Why? Because your safety is number one. So sometimes with this, I show a funny example to illustrate teaching 4 to 11-year-olds, and my hands will be on the wheel. I'll look down and I'll go, ah! And everybody laughs. And I say, no! Safety's number one. Mom and dad got their hands on the wheel, eyes on the road. They're looking around, paying attention because their safety's number one. So there's 3 types of learning. There's visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learners. I am a visual and kinesthetic learner, not so much an auditory learner. To have a moment of ourselves before we get to the busyness of the day, we can connect more truly to the presence of ourselves. So this is just like a car needs gas, our body needs fuel, but you should not be eating or drinking while driving. Appreciating where you are, mom and dad might be driving the car and the kids could go, are we there yet? 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 And mom and dad are ripping their hair out like, oh my gosh, what are you saying? But if we can be mindfully having good focus rather than no focus, or excellent focus, then we'll be paying attention, and that is helping through our five senses, connecting through taste, touch, sound, sight, and smell. We can live more truly and richly in that moment. Thank you. I talked to get to know me, and you listened, providing examples of the past, present, and future, how you prevent distracted driving and promote safe driving practices for yourself, friends, or family by providing specific video and audio examples. Thank you very much.